What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect, know what I mean? And today, gonna be doing an unboxing, first impressions video of the WOWTAC A2S version 2, all right? And it's in cool white, okay? This is WOWTAC, but it says it's technically supported by Through Night, so it's probably made by Through Night or the same factories, okay? Let's get right into it. I'm not trying to fool around here. The box is similar to Through Night's boxing, probably identical actually, very similar. So is the paperwork stuff, you know, the literature. Okay, we'll get right to here. I'll take the light out because I'm not gonna try to waste too much time. I wanna get through this quickly so you guys can watch everything without wasting too much time. Oh, there's that silica gel package. Do not eat that, guys. How many times do I have to tell you guys, do not eat that, you know? I told you guys so many times, yet it still happens out there. Yeah, okay. Wow, all right, that looks a little bit fancy. It's wrapped up in rubber band. We got two gaskets here, O-rings, whatever you want to call them. USB-C. I have a lot of those now. Yeah. Okay. So here's the light, the headlamp. All right. There's a button on the top. That's it. Looks like it could come apart into 3 pieces. I'm gonna take this off. I know that's kind of weird, but I'll take it off. Let me do that. All right, we got the WOWTAC. Okay, this could fit quite a large head. All right, adjustable. Oh shoot, I just dropped my paper. 1 second, please. All right. Let's look at the light real close, all right? Look at that. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. All right. Wow. Yeah, guys, don't grab this and turn, all right? It might cut you. I don't think so, but you know, you never know. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Just a barrel. We have this here. I like this because this is easy to service. If so your connection gets loose, you can easily bend that or whatever you need to do. But they also have warranty, so you don't really gotta worry about that. You got an 18650 battery, looks like, and 3400 milliamp hours. Oh, you can charge the battery right there. It looks like, all right, this is one of those lots where you charge the battery right from the battery. You know, it got a little port there, which is gonna make the battery a little bit bigger, I believe. But it's great because you can charge this anywhere, you know. But you do have to open the flashlight on this one, but hey, can't complain, you know. Great value, actually. That's why you can't complain. On Amazon currently, I think this is a $24, something like that. You know, it might fluctuate a little bit. Maybe they have sales too, but that's a great price for a headlamp, okay? Let's get an up-close look so you can see the finishing, all right? Grippy. WOWTAC. All right. Let's see if it turns on. It does. Okay, let's go through the modes here. Wow, 4 minutes in and we're already going through the modes. Fantastic. Let's see. So we've got low mode, medium, high, turbo, and Firefly, as well as SOS. Firefly is good for 0.5 lumens at 60 days. Turbo is at 1047 lumens for 4 minutes. Then it steps down to 526 lumens for 170 minutes. High is 385. medium's 83, low is 14. All right, so those are good numbers. You know, you're gonna use this light a long time before you have to charge it, but you know, it gives you a lot of room, you know, to work with, because you don't have to worry about, oh, did I charge it last time? You know, if you just charged it fairly recently and didn't use it too much. So that's great to have, okay? Now, let's see what the modes. All right, I always do this, you know that. From an off position, you hold the button down until it goes into Firefly. You hold it again. You hold it again if that's low, medium. Okay, so that's low, medium, high, and let's see turbo. Double tap. That's turbo for sure. Wow, this light is very cool, like extremely cool. I wonder what's the temperature rating on this. Wow, that's very bright. I cannot read it with this. It's way too bright. You gotta lower that. I'm kind of partially blind by looking at that white sheet of paper, but it's okay. I'm reading a different language here. Wow, you get a 30 days refund policy. That's amazing. 2 years maintenance. We will provide 2 years maintenance service. Okay. Yeah, guys. So, I mean, look, triple tap. There's your SOS. Oh my God. This is very cool. Like the color temperature is very cool. I mean, there's no doubt about that. It's very cool. So it's gonna appear even brighter than 1047 lumens. You know, it's not gonna look like, you know, a yellow, a warmer tint light. You know, where that you could have a 2000 lumen warm tint light. You know, and it will look not as bright. It's just a trick on the eye, you know, that if you use a white light like this, it looks a lot brighter. This is on the cooler side. It will be interesting to see if they have other options for different color temperatures, but this does look nice. It's just that it's so up close on a table that it looks even brighter. But if you're outside, this is gonna be fine. All right, guys, I mean, you can't really say much negative about this for $25 or $24, can you? You can't. I mean, it gives you everything you really need, a bunch of modes. You can't complain about that. So, yeah, I don't really got much else to say about this light. Let's see, what else can we do here? We can put it on the scale, which I'm not sure why we need to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. You know, if you want to see how heavy this thing with the battery in is, it's on grams. Let me change that to ounces. Where's my ounces? All right, 3.8 ounces. Okay, let's see. All right, and this is not magnetic tail cap, okay? Just in case if anyone wanted to know. So 3.8 ounces, not bad at all. So you get a very viable light source for your headlamp if you get this for $25. That's what's really happening here. Let me just put this on through the rubber strap here. Let's see, and it works well. All right. I've used through night headlamps in the dark for painting outside, and it worked well. All right, I'm like, usually I'm just painting in the dark or doing whatever in the dark, but use a headlamp, guys. When you're outside, use a headlamp. It's gonna make your job and life easier. All right, you guys can say thank you if you tried a headlamp and then it made something real easy for you. After you have a headlamp, you're not going to want to work in the dark anymore. All right, let's keep this under 10 minutes. So, yeah, if you guys want to see more, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TimZUSA. And until next time, Tim Z out.